What's going on, guys? It's Princess and I'm back with another hair video, guys. So this time I'm back again with another spring twist video, different hair. So last time I did my hair video, I did a fluffy spring twist video, but I could not find the spring twist hair that everyone was using. So I found this model hair, and this is what it looks like up close. So I found this hair. Did not look like every other hair video that I saw on YouTube. So a company ended up reaching out to me. They saw my video and they were like, hey, we want you to try our hair. And I said, sure, I want to try your hair. And the company is called Beauty Beyond. They're on Amazon, their Amazon store, and you can purchase hair from there. I'll leave the link down below. It came with 3 packs inside of it. This bag came with 3 packs of hair inside of it. They were all packed like this. And they all had the label from Beauty and Beyond up top, and they had the it actually says fluffy, well, spring twist hair, so spring hair. I got the color 1B. The result of the hair that I did, it's hiding my edges because I had a baby. I don't know if you guys know, but I had a baby about approximately almost 5 months ago. It'll be 5 months on October the 19th, and I had postpartum shedding, and I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm getting my Donald Trump on. I'm combing it over. It's like super shiny. I mean, it grows back eventually. But right now, yeah, I like it. It's covering that up, and I can do different styles and maybe swoop it to the side. Maybe I'll do a video on how I style my different styles I can do with my fluffy spring twist hair. But I do like this hair. I do find a difference in it, even in the feel of it. It like, they're both synthetic hair, but this feels like different from the last time I had it. The last time it was nice, but it didn't feel like this. It's hard to explain. It has that more coily look that I like that everyone had in their videos. I love it, actually. I love it. Maybe next time I do it, I'll try some color. I'm not sure. Link will be in the description bar below. Check it out and continue to watch the video.